Come in.
Waiting, sir.
Yes. Sit.
Good evening, sir. Can I take my seat, sir?
Yeah, sure. Introduce yourself.
So, good evening, sir. My name is C. Mukesh. I am 18 years old. I am from Namakkal, Tamil Nadu, sir. So, about my family is a nuclear family, sir. Apart from my parents, I have one elder sister. She had completed her BCom CA, and my father is a farmer, sir, and my mother is an excellent homemaker, sir. So, about my qualifications, I have completed my 10th standard from CBSE board with a percentage of 72.4 and 12th standard from CBSE board with a percentage of 74.2, sir. And my PCM percentage in 12th is 70, sir. So, additionally, I have also earned certificates in track and field events, sir, in Vidya Bharati South Zone level meet, Vidya Bharati state level meet, Vidya Bharati district level meet, Krida Bharati district level meet, and Kongu Sawadya school complex meet, sir, and many other inter-school competitions, sir, and as well as CBSE cluster level meet, sir. So, and additionally, I have also won a state level certificate in volleyball, sir. My hobbies is to play volleyball and do discus throws, sir.
Play volleyball and
Discus throws, sir.
discus throw. Okay. Good. So why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
Sir, I want to join Merchant Navy because it allows me to take on a significant responsibilities at a young age, sir. Sir, and in Merchant Navy, I can get structured career path and growth, sir. So the psychological safety and the dynamic nature profession make it even more appealing, sir. So it also makes me financially stable at very young age, sir. So these factors make Merchant Navy an ideal career choice for me as I seek for rewarding and challenging profession, sir.
What is the difference between rolling and pitching?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, what is the job role of third mate?
So the job role of third mate is to maintenance of LSA and FFA, sir, and 8 hours of watch.
What is
keeping, sir.
LSA say? What
LSA.
What is LSA?
So life saving appliances, sir.
And FFA?
So firefighting appliances, sir.
Okay. What is the full form of radar and sonar?
So radio, directing, ranging, I don't know about it, sir.
Okay. Okay, your hobby is volleyball.
Yes, sir. Playing volleyball and doing this.
Is volleyball in Olympic?
Yes, sir. It is in Olympics, sir.
Who is the captain of Indian team?
Sir, at 2023, the captain of Indian team is Vinit Chaudhary, sir.
Right now?
Sir, right now, I did not know about it, sir.
In Olympic, what is the performance of India in volleyball?
Sir, it is down only, sir, when compared to other countries.
Yeah, that I know because they haven't won any medal. But what is the position like?
So first of all, I will not watch volleyball, sir. I just
Play.
like to play it, sir.
Okay, you like to play.
Yes, sir. And some of the information only I know about it, sir.
And discus throw?
Yes, sir. I know about it, sir. Discus throw.
So who is the sports person who is representing discus throw in Olympics?
Sir, Chris Jenche is a sports person who is representing discus throw.
From which place he is?
So he is from US or Australia.
From in India, I am asking.
Sir, from India. Sir, from India, no one is representing discus throw, sir.
No one is representing
Yes,
discus
sir.
throw. Why?
Sir, I don't know about it, sir. But according to me, Tijender Turpal, who is representing shot put and discus, sir.
So you can have a good chance in this. You can represent India in Olympics if you are very interested in discus throw.
Sir, I am interested in discus throw, sir, but due to some of my leg injuries and backbone injuries, so I cannot.
Okay. Who is your inspiration?
Sir, Chris Jenche, sir.
Why?
So because he is a calm person, sir, and he is a self-motivator, sir. He self-motivates himself when he is in that sector, sir.
What is the negative point?
Sir, he does not teach his skills to any person, sir. That is negative point, sir.
Okay, so you want to learn from that person?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which one is your favorite movie?
So my favorite movie is Soorare Potru, sir. Tamil movie, sir.
Soorare
Potru.
Potru. Soorare Potru. Who is the actor?
Sir, Surya, sir.
And what is the story of that movie?
So the story of that movie is that, sir, the poor people who cannot afford to fly in flight, sir. So Soorare Potru in that movie, Surya made the ticket for 1 rupees. And he made poor people to fly, sir. It is a real based story, sir.
On which airlines it was made? Like
So the airline name was Deccan Airlines, a simplified Deccan Airlines, sir.
Deccan Airlines.
Deccan Airlines.
Air Deccan.
Yes, sir.
Air Deccan. But in that movie, it was shown that Surya reduces the size of aeroplane and
Yes,
it
sir.
got fired. What is your view on that?
Sir, but it was not his mistake, sir.
Then it is whose mistake?
Sir, it was a mistake of the persons who was taking care of that, means who is working on that plane, doing engineering works. That was their mistake, sir. And he also made that a problem.
Elon Musk is making Tesla. His team is working on that. Car got fired. Whose mistake is this? Who will take the responsibility?
Sir, Elon Musk will take it, sir.
The person who is making airlines and who is reducing the size of aeroplane, who is using the Airbus, and then that airplane in which so many people were there, so many passengers were there, that got fired. Then it is the mistake of that person who is running the company or who is making all these things.
Yes, sir. So, but after that he realized that mistake and he came up, sir.
Okay. Then he created a company.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition of that company right now?
So it is not there, sir.
And it was in debt also.
Yes, sir.
That is why it is not here. Then what is your view?
Sir, my view is that, sir, he is also from poor family only, sir. Low class family only, sir. So from that family he have came to that much level and he have done something for the poor people, sir. From that point of view I am looking at it.
Don't you think it was waste?
No, sir, I am not thinking it was waste.
Why?
Sir, because he have worked on it, sir, and his work have given him success for few time, sir. For working in something and getting success for few time, even it is a good one only for.
At the end of the day, company went to scrap. It was in debt. After complete hard work and doing everything for poor people, company went in debt. The life of that person was a complete failure because he has put everything, he has taken money from so many people, he has taken the credibility of so many people. He was failed. Then he has created the company for poors, and then those poors betrayed him. Nobody is going from his flight. His company was in debt, and then he has to shut down his company. Don't you think it was a failure, a big time failure? If you were that person and you are doing everything, like you are not thinking about your father, about your mother, about your wife, you are putting everything, every single money, every single penny, and people are not supporting you, then also you are doing something for them, then again people are not supporting for you, then rich people are pushing you down, and at the end of the day you stand a company, and then that company went to scrap. What is your point of view? Is it a failure or is it a success?
Is it a failure only, sir?
It is a failure. What is the learning from this?
So learning from this is, sir, I think he got many failures in his life, sir, but then he got that much failures also, but he tried for it, sir, a lot. So according to me, from the point of view.
Never give up attitude.
Yes, sir.
What if I give you 1 crore rupees? What will you do?
So first of all, 15% of it I will pay my house loan amount, sir. And then 5% I will spend for it my sister's marriage, sir. So, and next 25% I will invest in pharmaceutical industry, sir. Sir, and then next 15% for my educational purpose, sir. So next 30% I will buy a farming land, sir. And next 2% I will buy farming equipments for doing farming in that land, sir. And next 3% I will keep it in for safety purpose, sir.
Only 3 lakh rupees.
So from that,
What kind of safety will you do with that 3 lakh
so
rupees?
if there is any emergency, so if there is emergency like hospitality or some other emergency, that time I can use it, sir.
Okay. Your eye contact, confidence, everything is good. Communication skill is also good. Hobby related question, body language is also good. Otherwise your interview is good, quite good. And your acceptance, adaptability is also good. Because I have also watched that movie of Surya. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई वॉज लाइक आई वॉज इन अ फिक्स कि सूर्या का पूरा लाइफ बर्बाद हो गया है, और किसकी वजह से? पुअर पीपल की वजह से। तो ये जो फंडा होता है ना कि वी हैव टू वर्क फॉर पुअर पीपल, वो हमेशा पुअर रहने वाले हैं। तुम एक काम करो, सड़क के किनारे जाओ, भिखारी बैठे होंगे, उनको तुम ना जाकर के 1000 रुपये दो,
कल भी उधर ही बैठे,
नेक्स्ट डे भी वो भीख ही मांगेगा। तुम उसको 10,000 रुपये दो, वो उससे कुछ नहीं करेगा, वो भीख ही मांगेगा। पुअर पीपल को प्लेन पे ले जाने का सपना वॉज नॉट अ ड्रीम। ये मतलब उसको बाद में रियलाइज हुआ होगा कि आप अगर कॉस्ट कटिंग करते हो किसी चीज़ में, वो भी किस में? एयरप्लेन में, तो आग लगने का खतरा होता है। वो जो पुअर पीपल तुमको एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लेकर के जा रहे हो, मर जाएंगे। और अल्टीमेटली पुअर पीपल को इस बात से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुमने उनके लिए एयरलाइन बनाई है। अगर तुम बोलोगे ना कि 1000 रुपये की टिकट है, तुमको हम यहाँ से वहाँ लेकर के जाएंगे, तो भी वो डर की वजह से नहीं जाएगा कि कुछ ना कुछ तो पंगा होगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो फ्रॉड होगा इसमें। ठीक है, तो उसकी लाइफ से मुझे बहुत सारी लर्निंग ये मिली थी कि मुझे पहले तो अपना क्राउड सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए। एयरपोर्ट के लिए पुअर पीपल नॉट अ गुड फिट। आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट?
यस सर।
आप कुछ और अच्छा क्रिएट कर सकते हो, पुअर पीपल के लिए कुछ और अच्छा क्रिएट कर सकते हो। जैसे टाटा ने पुअर पीपल के लिए क्रिएट की थी नैनो, लोगों ने खरीदी ही नहीं। क्यों? क्योंकि हम खरीदेंगे तो पुअर पीपल कहलाएंगे। अगर वो उसी को ऐसा बोलता कि बेस्ट यूटिलिटी कार, नो पुअर पीपल, बेस्ट यूटिलिटी कार बोलता कि छोटी कार है, स्पेस पार्किंग स्पेस अच्छा है, बहुत आराम से निकल जाती है, ये है वो है, फ्यूल कैपेसिटी अच्छी है, सब कुछ ऐसा बता करके करता, तो लोग खरीदते हैं। लेकिन उसने जैसे ही बोल दिया ना पुअर पीपल कार, तो आदमी नहीं खरीद रहा है, क्योंकि मैं खरीदूंगा तो पुअर पीपल कहलाऊंगा। ये इंडिया की मेंटालिटी है। सो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट। ठीक है, बट अगेन तुमने उस आंसर को काफ़ी अच्छा फ्रेम किया कि इतने फेलियर्स के बाद भी वो लगा रहा। नेवर गिव अप एटीट्यूड, ये सीखने मिलता है। ये सबसे सही पॉइंट है, बिल्कुल अच्छी बात है। ठीक है, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क? गुड टू।
थैंक यू सर।